The issue of the disciplinary case involving the Member of Parliament for Malindi constituency, the Honorable Aisha Jumwa, the National Governing Council of ODM has resolved unanimously to ratify the decision of the National Executive Council that the said Member of Parliament be expelled from the party as per the recommendations of the disciplinary committee. That on the disciplinary matter touching on the Honorable Suleiman Dori, the NGC, having received a letter of apology from the said Member of Parliament addressed to the Secretary General to present before the NGC, the members of the NGC resolved to defer its decision on the recommendations to expel him and summon him to a special session of the National Governing Council in order that he can mitigate his case before the NGC.